Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your blog with Medium, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by creating a Medium account if you don't already have one. Visit medium.com and click on sign in or get started. You can sign up using your email, Google account, or Facebook account. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the platform's interface. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner to access the drop-down menu. Select Settings to configure your profile. Add a biography that captures your voice and intent. Upload a professional profile picture to establish your brand. Next, navigate to your Medium profile page. Click on the Edit Profile button to customize your cover image. Choose a high-quality image that represents your blog's theme. Now, it's time to create your first story. Click on the Write a Story button on your profile page. Begin by entering a catchy title that draws in readers. Next, write your content in the body section. Utilize Medium's formatting tools to add headings, images, and hyperlinks. Make sure to break up text with paragraphs for better readability. Enhance your post by adding tags that are relevant to your story. Medium allows you to add up to 5 tags, choose wisely. After crafting your story, click on Publish in the top right corner. Add a short summary to give readers a preview of your post. Then, confirm your selected tags before finalizing the publication. Once published, share your story to reach a wider audience. Use social media platforms to promote your Medium posts. Engage with readers through comments to build a community. Regularly check your stats to analyze which topics resonate most. Consider collaborating with other Medium writers for greater exposure. Continue to publish consistently to establish your presence on the platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.